The loudest sound on Earth wasn't made by humans. In 1997, NOAA detected a 3,000-mile echo deeper than any known frequency. It pulsed through the Pacific like a cosmic heartbeat, then vanished. Scientists call it the Bloop. No ship, whale, or volcano could produce this sound. It was too low for human ears, too loud for any earthly source. A signal in the dark, unanswered for decades. What if the ocean isn't empty? What if it's listening? Subscribe to uncover the mysteries that keep reality from sleeping.